Friends, fellow inhabitants of this extraordinary world, I have spent my life exploring its farthest corners, marveling at the intricate dance of life. But I have also seen the subtle, creeping changes, the silent warnings our planet is sending us. The ice caps are shrinking, coral reefs are bleaching, and these are not distant problems for future generations. They are happening now. The Earth is speaking to us in the language of melting ice and rising seas. Seasons are shifting, storms are growing stronger, and droughts are stretching across lands that once flourished. These are not isolated incidents, but symptoms of a deeper imbalance, a fever gripping our world. The very air, water, and soil that sustain us are under threat. We are at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in the history of all life on Earth. The natural world is not separate from us. It is the foundation of our existence. Every breath, every drop of water connects us to the planet's cycles. The warnings are no longer whispers, they are a roar echoing across continents. We are the first generation to see the damage clearly, and perhaps the last with a real chance to act. This is not a message of despair, but a call to awareness and responsibility. We must listen to the Earth's silent warning and act with wisdom and courage. What happens if we look away? If we do nothing, the world our children inherit will be a shadow of what we know. Rising seas will swallow cities, extreme weather will become the new normal, and food and water will grow scarce. The web of life will unravel, species will vanish, and the most vulnerable will pay the highest price. Climate refugees will be forced from their homes, and our own children will face a world of instability we could have prevented. To ignore the problem is to sacrifice the future for present convenience. This is not fiction, it is the logical conclusion of our current path. The price of inaction is too high, measured in lives, lost homes, and a diminished future. The challenge is immense, but the power to change lies with all of us. This is a shared responsibility. Governments must lead with bold policies, investing in renewables and protecting natural habitats. International cooperation is essential. Protecting our environment is the foundation for a stable future. But each of us holds a thread in this tapestry. Our daily choices, what we eat, buy, how we travel, shape the world. By demanding sustainability and reducing our carbon footprint, we drive collective action. We must call on leaders to act decisively and use our voices and votes to make this our priority. At the same time, we must take personal responsibility for our impact. Governments and individuals must work together, each reinforcing the other. This is how we weave the tapestry of a better future. Let us not be paralyzed by the scale of the task, but inspired by the power we hold. Hope is an active force. Human ingenuity is rising to meet this challenge. Scientists are developing new technologies, and renewable energy is becoming the sensible choice. We are on the cusp of an energy revolution. The solutions are here: energy-efficient homes, sustainable agriculture, ecosystem restoration. The question is not whether we can, but whether we will. Every person has a part to play. Use your voice, your choices, your influence. Support sustainable businesses, reduce waste, conserve energy. These actions are not insignificant. They are the raindrops that form the flood of change. This is about empowerment and opportunity, building a better, more just world. The transition to sustainability will create jobs, spur innovation, and improve lives. The power to begin this transformation is in our hands, our homes, and our hearts. We stand at a unique moment, one of peril, but also immense promise. We are the generation that can turn the tide, with the knowledge, tools, and moral imperative to act. Let us be remembered as the generation that rose to the challenge and secured a future for life on Earth. This mission unites us all as inhabitants of one precious planet. Start today, plant a tree, join a group, talk to your community, demand action. Every action, however small, is part of a global movement for change. We are fighting for the beauty of our world, for future generations, for our shared home. The time for talk is over. The time for action is now. Let us begin.